Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Sandia Spotter machine. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it will help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So inside your recovery tank is your recovery float. You got to replace it. This is very easy. Just go ahead and take off the lid. Just like that. And inside here is the yellow foam. Reach down in there. Pull it out towards you. Just like that. Now take the new one, install it just the way you took it out. Slide it all the way back down there. Replace the lid. And you are done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.